Hi, my lovely fans. Welcome to Splendor TV, Splendor Show. Today is all about how to apply your lip balm, eyeliner, your makeup. Everything is here. So, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to get more of our updates. Like, comment, and share to various people to see this video on how to apply your lip balm, your eye, your makeup, how to beautify your face, how to make your face, your mouth, your eye to look stunning. It's all about applying how very different type of face to apply for your lip balm to see how your lips is glowing, your lip look take away, your lip look classy, your eye, your face, everything. How to make up, how to beautify yourself as a classy and elegant lady. Subscribe, like, comment, and share to get more updates from us. Love you guys.